So how do you feel, Angel? Are you excited?
Yes.
So it's Angel's birthday today, and we brought him to LEGOLAND tomorrow. But we can start early, right? Right, Ariel?
What the weekend?
Yeah, for the weekend. So we're gonna enjoy the day. Come along with us. Let's have some fun.
What ride you want to go first?
This one.
Let's go to the ninja first.
Yeah, ninja.
Let's go. It looks like Daddy right there.
Okay, right
Yeah.
now look.
Right.
Right now we're going to the ninja one. We're walking here.
Okay.
Our first ride of the day.
Ninjago.
Ninjago.
All right, ninjas, start behind the black. Ready? Go. What makes it to the top? Go, go, go.
Done.
Go. Now you gotta go stand up top. Go. Angels first. Girl, you're not even making it yet. Let's go. Come on, Daniel. Come on. You got it. You got it. You're almost to the top. You're almost to the top. You're gonna get there. Oh. Good job, guys. All right, now gotta get back down. Hold on, you got it. Oh, go, Angel. Ninja roll. Come on. Whoa.
My sister's kind of crazy, guys. She doesn't want to jump. And my dad said he got to my sister, but she doesn't listen. Oh, oh, oh! She's gonna jump. She's gonna. Oh.
Good job, guys. Who's a good ninja? All right. The popcorn, guys. Surprised my son's not eating him right now. No roller coasters? No?
No.
How do you say it? Don't be chicken?
Don't be chicken. It's a little Halloween dessert that they got here. So we get VIP access, so we got it in.
I kind of want one of the worms.
Of course you do. Look, it's a little shovel. How cute is that? The little spoon.
Here.
I want one.
Here's the Angel's birthday.
Yay.
I think they think we're taking a picture of them. Come on. Teamwork. Teamwork makes the dream work. Come on. Oh. Ariel's getting dizzy. Oh, sorry guys, she's not like this all the time. You know what? We need some pizza. Nice car, man. Get him, Ariel.
My parrots are crazy. Look at this dark tunnel, guys. Look at this dark sky. What do you think is down there? There's something red. Let's go check it out, guys. Woo! Woo! That was fun, guys. Wait, that is my detail. Go down!
We're gonna eat all we can eat pizza, guys. Adults 25 and kids 13. Look at that pizza. You ready to eat, Angel? My pizza got flipped upside down by accident. That's what my wife got right now. You look hungry, dude. Yeah. Take one food.
I got one. Hi guys. We've been going on rides and then we're playing on the park. We saw some of our pictures on the rides and now we're eating. And I also found the free toy at the park. Huh? That's what I found. Free duck. From Minecraft. Huh? Now I'm gonna eat. Bye. Hello guys. Look at where we are. We're at the big buildings. Do you like it? And look at the giant spider. Hey, look at the giant spider. And then look. Some of the Legos move. They move.
Kids get excited for Amazon.
Oh, look, the president! Hey, that side! Wow. I want to see what's under. There's nothing under, it's controlling. Nothing's controlling it, Dad. The robot
What? Look at the motorcycles crash. It's downtown.
Hey, look, the mascot for Padre. Wait, that's the Padre. There's spiders everywhere.
You driving the boat?
Yeah, I'm driving yellow. I'm going
What color are you?
Yellow.
He's yellow, guys. Who's number 2?
Ariel.
Ariel's number 2? Bring the boat over here. Let's check out your boat.
Okay. Coming, Dad.
Man, something's wrong with your engine, man.
The police.
Yeah, look at this boat.
What job am I? Oh, no.
That's cool.
I'm gonna crash into Ariel.
I hope you're having fun, Angel. Okay.
Chargers, stand the plane.
Really?
Chargers are playing.
Arthur, this way.
Who's playing?
Los Angeles.
I think it's a
Oh,
Chargers versus the Rams, no?
It's Los Angeles Rams versus Chargers.
What?
Chargers versus Rams.
Victoria.
This is cool. Let me party. I know this is cool. Pizza. I'm done. Let's do this. I'm done, Dad.
What? No, wait for everybody else.
I know.
So you think that's gonna win?
Yeah.
You think that's gonna win the race?
Okay, dude.
Not yet. Where's Magnet?
Go, run. Are you alright, sir? I just want to say happy birthday, Angel. I hope you guys are having a great time and I hope you remember this moment. And that's why we're gonna make this video for you, so your kids can watch it too when you get older. And look at your mom. She's just stuck in the back all the time. Your mom is really beautiful. And when I die, you're gonna remember me. See you guys. Cool.
What kind of car is that?
A Lamborghini.
No.
What is it? Corvette?
No.
Corvette.
It says right there.
Corvette?
Ferrari. You guys gotta grab a Lego. Grab one. Grab one. Ariel, grab one. Okay.
And Robbie back.
It doesn't even go straight. It's alright. Let's go. Ready? Go. What the heck? I don't think it's go. It's gonna be me versus Ariel. You ready? Let go. Oh.
No check.
2, 3. Cheers.
For Angel.
For Angel. Cheers to Angel. Happy birthday, Angel.
I can't believe on my birthday we get some candy.
Yeah.
But hey guys, look, this is the secret. Look, when I get home, I get to have 2 from Dragon Arrow. What?
Thank you, Rick.
This is Lego Tommy. Next one, Grace. Next one.
Off with their heads, Daniel. Off with their heads. Yeah! Look, guys.
I feel like next time they're gonna have the
So
salt.
my wife was
Right,
whining
guys?
this whole time.
And we're all gonna eat this. Hopefully this feeds all of us.
Wait. I'm trying to put.
It's called a monster hot dog.
Which is the best?
You ready?
Right here.
Here, cut the cake, babe.
Go ahead. How's it taste? What? What?
Let me taste guys, it. I ate a whole hot dog, the giant
No,
hot
you
dog.
did not.
I'm just kidding, guys.
How's it taste?
Dad, me don't bite it.
Go
It's
ahead.
actually good.
You like it?
Only when it's like this. Only like this. Only like this, it's good.
Oh, what's wrong?
They're both open. I'm so confused right now. Best birthday ever. Best, guys?
Tell them if it's good or not, Ariel.
It was good and bomb. It's bomb, guys.
Talk about your birthday.
If you say it's not good, you know it's gonna happen. You're gonna die.
What do you think?
I didn't even get to finish it. How you go?
They actually don't face it to me. Place is like bomb, and this is the best place in the whole wide world. And this hot dog and bread is good.
You guys rather?
Here, I got two. This monster dog is so good. You should come to Legoland and get it. It's so good, guys. Even it's bomb.
Okay.
My brother just said you should just put your pants on, get in the car, and go and
How do you know they
subscribe
have pants on?
and subscribe to my mom's and my dad's YouTube channel. And it's also Lucky's day where I can watch 𝓵𝓸𝓻𝓰𝓮𝓽.
Like this, baby.
I was doing that.
What do you think?
Better than the buffet.
All right, guys, we'll talk later. We're gonna finish eating.
Happy birthday, Angel.
You want to do it again?
Don't do it again.
Happy birthday, Angel. I love you, Angel.
No.
Aww. Happy birthday, Angel. I hope you get the girl. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Your birthday's next on you. Happy birthday, Angel. I hope you had a lot of fun today. I hope you had a lot of fun today.
Good.
Wait.
You know me, your daddy, and your brother and sister love you.
No.
So, cheers to many more years to come.
I want to say happy birthday to Angel. And I hope when you see this video, if I'm still alive. If I'm not, you better come see me at the graveyard. Love you, Angel.
Daniel, when it's your birthday, you're gonna get 1,100 girls. So.
Let me see your button, Angel. Ooh.
It's my birthday, Legoland.
Okay, see you guys next time. Like and subscribe. Happy birthday, Angel.